Hey, hello everybody. It's Sherry. I'm a certified health and nutrition coach with the CGH Health Foundation, and I am back with another video for What's Cooking CGH. All of my recipes are easy and healthy. And speaking of easy and healthy, I think that just might be the easiest and healthiest recipe I have ever done. It only has 2 ingredients, and you have probably guessed that one of those ingredients is a watermelon, and the other ingredient is a lime. And I'm calling this a watermelon cooler. So if your family's from Mexico, you're probably familiar with the agua frescas, which are just fruit and water blended, and sometimes there's sugar added. And sometimes in those, they might strain out the solids a little bit. The recipe I'm doing today does not have any added ingredients, no added sugar, just the lime to add a little bit of tang. And we're going to leave the solids right in the juice. The reason I wanted to feature a recipe like this right now is, first of all, watermelons are in season. So if you get a good one, there's nothing much better than a really ripe, sweet watermelon. And the other is because of how much soda we drink. And when I'm coaching someone, that's one of the first questions I ask them is how much soda they drink. When I was a kid, we got soda once a week. My dad was in charge of us on Saturday morning, and he would take us to the gas station, and the 4 kids, would split a bottle of pop. And by the time I was in high school, we always had soda in the house. And if you've never really paid attention, if you're drinking a lot of soda, you might turn around the can and look at the label, and you would probably be horrified to learn that there are approximately 10 teaspoons of sugar in a single 12-ounce can of soda. And so we should all be drinking a lot less soda. It's just way too much sugar for us. But if the kids are wanting a nice sweet beverage, here's a great thing to do, and they can help you with it. It's very, very easy. So first of all, we're going to start off with a watermelon, and we really need just a small watermelon. 5 or 6 pounds would be plenty. This watermelon is about twice as big as what I need, so I'm going to cut it in half and just use half of it, and I will save the rest for later. And oh my gosh, I did a really good job of picking a watermelon, didn't I? We're going to set this one aside. So 5 or 6 pounds of watermelon, and it should yield maybe 5 or 6 cups of juice. So this is a seedless watermelon. I made sure I got that. And all I'm going to do is take a spoon and scoop out the flesh of the watermelon right into my blender. So that'll take just a couple minutes. We'll speed it up a little bit. Okay, that's just about all I can fit in the blender, so I'm going to stop right there. And the second ingredient of the 2 ingredients is this lime. And I'm just going to squeeze that right into the blender. Watermelons are really very good for you. They're one of my favorite treats in the summertime. They've got lots of vitamin A and vitamin C and potassium. And actually, we call them watermelons. They're more than 90% water, so they're very hydrating, very low in calories. And with the watermelon and the lime juice in the blender, the next step is just to hit the go button. And I'm going to let it blend for maybe 60 seconds, about a minute. And see how it looks, and if it still has a little bit of chunks in it, I might blend it a little longer. So that's where we're going now. And there we have it, just about 60 seconds, and it doesn't have any chunks that I can see of. I'm going to serve my watermelon juice over some ice. It should keep in the refrigerator for 4 or 5 days, so if you just want to put it in a pitcher or a jar, you can do that. And if you wanted to garnish it with a little slice of lime, you could do that too. And doesn't that look beautiful and refreshing? Let's give it a taste. Oh, that is so good. Sweet, no sugar needed, a perfect seasonal summertime treat. I have lots of easy, healthy recipes on the CGH YouTube channel, and the easiest way to find our channel is to go to the CGH website, and under education, you can find the link to all of our videos and our YouTube channel. I hope you'll give this recipe a try and come back and look at some of our other videos. We'll see you next time.